In connection with the flood in Jēkabpils, an emergency evacuation was announced for the afternoon on the section of Plavino Street from the Aurida Zelenska Music School to the State Fire and Rescue Service reported. Flooding in the south-central Latvia has broken record and led to preparation for a mass evacuation the country public broadcaster. Less than 2 weeks after Estonia's southern neighbor was hit by equally severe floods, a combination of heavy rain and a thaw brought on by unusually midwinter caused by Jēkabpils to reach in the highest level in 40 years. Schools are closed in Jēkabpils, public transport stops and road restriction, and a large-scale evacuation is out of the question. A third-level meteorological warning has been issued in the Jēkabpils region, and the risk of flooding in the Jēkabpils and other major rivers in Latvia may persist until spring. Much attention is paid to the protective embankment. The situation will be worse. That is already in Jēkabpils, where basements have already been affected by the flooding in some area and downstream in nearby Plavines. The Rescue Service of Latvia says the local residents in the affected area should evacuate in a timely manner, tuning off electricity and gas on the go, and also monitor quality of drinking water. Local authorities also intend to provide temporary housing. Although levels began to decline on Tuesday, they have signs rising during Friday night.